Dear Honorable Judges, we would state for the following reasons. Well, first of all, our opponents did not answer our domestic violence argument. We state that in the whole United States, more than 1/4 of all women have been attacked by domestic violence, and Stand Your Ground doesn't protect any of them. Furthermore, they cannot prove that Stand Your Ground protects children either. Now look at this. They're saying that it protects the innocent, okay? But however, they are much more innocent in the aspect of children being kidnapped or domestic violence victims at homes. So even if the Stand Your Ground law was passed in the whole United States, it still wouldn't help these people who are suffering every day. Now secondly, racism is a very big issue. They're saying that racism has nothing to do with Stand Your Ground laws. However, racism actually does, because Stand Your Ground laws encourage people to act when they're racist. For example, a white person may shoot a black person because they are racist and because they feel threatened. They think that they feel threatened because it's a black person. However, think about this. This is a practice of racism. We have tried so hard to stop racism for the past years. But if we pass this law of Stand Your Ground, the white people who shoot the black people then can get out of custody because they can use Stand Your Ground as an excuse. So Stand Your Ground law actually promotes racism. Therefore, it is illegitimate and unethical. So for all these reasons, please vote for Con. Thank you.